Center, Alaska 360 out of 2460, sending 104,000.
360, fix you approach ready.
6 approach Alaska 360, just want to verify we checked down out of 212, descending 14.
Alaska 360, Bixby approach star has control of change in progress. Boise altimeter 2995. The wind right now is 100 at 6. Understand you have smoke in the aircraft. Can offer you a visual approach to any runway and instrument approach to any runway, so let me know what's your name.
Okay, we'd like radar vectors. We're direct to Jimmy now. We'd like radar vectors for the RNAV GPS Yankee runway 10 right.
Alaska 360, Roger. You can expect that and descent and maintain 12000.
Descent maintain 12000, Alaska 360.
Airport Command, Boise Tower, affirmative. They'll be landing runway 10 right. I'll give you a call once they're about 10 miles on final.
And approach Alaska 360, just to let you know, we did drop our oxygen mask. The flight attendants are letting us know the smoke has increased in the cabin.
Alaska 360, appreciate that. Pass it on. Airport Command just got word from the Alaska that smoke has increased in the cockpit and the oxygen mask were deployed. Alaska 360, I'll give you vectors on the final for the RNAV Yankee, the runway 10 right. Just plan vectors prior to Jimmy. It'll be vectors for the final.
We'll plan for that, Alaska 360.
Alaska 360, descend and maintain 900,000.
Down to 900,000, Alaska 360.
Alaska 360, descend and maintain 7,000.
Descend maintain 7,000, Alaska 360.
Alaska 360, turn right, heading 270 vector for the approach.
Right, heading 270, Alaska 360.
And short got Boise is Lima, firm Boise altimeter 2995. The wind is 0807, and Alaska 360, there's no significant change on that new 8.
Copy that, 360.
Alaska 360, continue your descent, maintain 5,000.
Descend maintain 5,000, Alaska 360.
Alaska 360, turn left heading 190.
Left heading 190, Alaska 360.
Alaska 360, you're 7 miles from the city, turn left heading 130, maintain 5,000 until stop small approach course, cleared on at Yankee runway 10 approach.
Okay, I'm sorry, can you say that one more time?
Alaska 360, left heading 130, maintain 5,000, cleared on at Yankee 10 left.
Alright, left heading 130, 5,000, and cleared for the approach, RNAV GPS Yankee 10 right approach, Alaska 360.
Alaska 360, and you're correct, it's 10 right. I misspoke on the second time. Cleared RNAV Yankee 10 right.
Cleared RNAV GPS Yankee runway 10 right approach, Alaska 360.
Alaska 360, you can remain on my frequency. I'm also working the tower. I'll give you landing clearance shortly.
Okay, copy.
Alaska 316, the wind is 100 at 7, runway 10 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 10 right, Alaska 360.
Alaska 360, and you able to exit the runway? What do you want to do? Alaska 360, do you want to exit the runway? It'll be left turn or right at Charlie, your choice.
We'll take a left turn at Charlie.
Alaska 360, turn left at Charlie, cross runway 10 left, so they plan on parking you at Charlie 8.
Alright, left turn at Charlie, and we're cleared to cross 10 left.
Affirmative, Alaska 360, cross runway 10 left, you can taxi in via Alpha.
Alright, left turn Charlie, cross 10 left, taxiing via Alpha Alaska 360.
Airport Command, go ahead. Is there an ops vehicle on tower frequency?
Which tower up to 1 at Juliet, requesting 10 right, proceed.
21, proceed runway 10 right.
Proceed runway 10 right, up to 1.
And ground Alaska 360. We don't have significant smoke in the cabin. There is still the smoky smell. We're headed to the gate now, but we're not going to, emergency evacuation. Not currently.
Alaska 360, roger, understand, taxi in, and you're not planning an emergency evacuation, correct?
That is correct, but we do still have the smell in the cabin, but yeah, no significant smoke and no emergency evac.
Okay, thanks, I appreciate it. You have a good night.
Thanks for the help.